It's a wolf moon. Look at that. It's a wolf moon. Can't believe I caught this tonight. January 6th, 2023. We found it. And there's also something weird up there when I zoomed in. There was something green. What is that? Look, that's the wolf moon. It's out right now. There's the wolf moon. I'm outside in the cold right now. It's really cold out here. I'm wearing no jacket. It's like minus 20 degrees out here. But that's the moon. There we go. There's the moon. You're welcome, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can go follow me on Twitch, Snowgifs, because that's what my YouTube is now. If you're looking for me again, or if you're already subscribed, you should know that. That's the wolf moon. See you tomorrow for another video. Bye.